Hi there, ThriftyShells here. Welcome back. I do shopping hauls and reviews, and I seen that they had. Oh, we're at Dollar Tree. If you didn't know, I forgot to mention that. I just messed up my whole intro. Can't get this out, but these are new. They're pretty big. They're animal crackers, and they're by Forelli. You know, it's nice little, cute little school bus. I think I want to pick one up. They have like all these food section or this food thing over here. I'll show you more of. They also have these, which are new, lemon sandwich creamy cookies. I've never seen them do that. And then they also have the 3-pack of the Sunny D, but they got it in fruit punch. And they also have it in the Sunny D blue raspberry. They normally have the tangy orange one, the orange original. And they brought back all the Yoo-hoo flavors, which sometimes I don't see these ones. This one's chocolate. That one's cookies and cream. And then they have all the little snack things back again. The pizza ones. These ones are back. These little snack packs. These are new. So it's got a seal on the top of it. It's got a pretty thick lid. Because usually I don't really care for Surefresh because it breaks a lot easily. But that one seems like it won't break as easily. Oh, and then I love these ones for soup and stuff. Got them in the new colors there. And let's see if there's anything else over here. They have the sharks back. These are the 8-count for $1.25. Now they do have those fruity pebble bars, but I don't know. These are $1.50. See, I've seen some Dollar Trees had them for higher up, so these ones are $1.50. And then they do have the 6-packs of the applesauce that I showed you in my last haul. And I do have these big, huge Rice Krispie treats. Now, if I showed you my last 2 walkthroughs, like all the school stuff mostly, so go back and check those if you want to see some more. But I didn't see these in them. They're CentOS scented markers, an 8-pack. Plus I got the Play School and the chalk, the white and the colored ones. And they also have these crazy art scented markers, neon and washable. I showed you these ones. But they also have the poster markers in the Liqua, I think it's by Liquid Mark. These are the poster markers. They bring these back, I think, every year. I don't know. Now these are new over here. These are $5, but they're Protecto Essence Vanilla Lavender Floral, and they're in the small bags. But you get 100 in here for $5. I don't know if that's a good deal or not, but I thought I'd show you. They have it in vanilla. Yeah, they all look the same, so the vanilla lavender floral. And of course they have all their plus bags. These are the $5 ones. Oh, and I thought I'd show you these. These are, now I think these are a good deal. You get 3 of them in here for $3.25. when a lot of the times you're getting one for $1.25. So yeah, this is a really good deal. Wild lavender. Then they have the cotton linen. And I showed you all the other lip balms, but they also have the Disney Princess Moana vanilla and coconut lip balm. And they also have the lip gloss here. And the 2-pack of lip balm, cherry and strawberry scented. And this is their mask section. I thought I'd show you. There's nothing really new over here. They have these ones, which I think I did a review on my empties. I'll link that at the end. I think I did a review on that one as well. And I know I've done a review on these vitamin C ones. They still have lots of the tropical coconut hand masks then. So they have this new strip lash adhesive. It's called Duo. It says it's in dark tone. It says blends with black or brown lashes. Never heard of this brand, but I don't do lashes, so this is new. They still have some of the Ardell dual lash applicators, and they still have the Splash Lash Growth Serum. Now I see this Duo over here. It's in the white clear as well as a dark tone one. So you can get other. So if you want it in white or the dark tone, you can get either one for $1.25. I'm finally seeing the Little Mermaid Disney Princess Ariel lip balm, raspberry and vanilla. Then I'm also seeing the Belle one. This is a hydrating lip gloss. I think I want to pick this one up. Then they also have it in Cinderella, which is coconut and vanilla scented. These are new. They got the pacifier clips, BPA free by Smart Care. They have it in this yellow. They have it in this cute little pink. I think they have some other colors back here. Hold on. Looks like they have it in green as well. I can't see back there all the way. Yeah, it looks like they have it in green as well. I don't know if these are new, but they have these fruit feeders from Angel Mine. And they have this pacifier with folder. It has junior version on it. I don't see the other ones. They have all their weekly planners out. I think these ones are supposed to be going up because they have the red dot. This one's really pretty though. Weekly planner. It's by Jot. They have these ones down here. Then they have the smaller planners, the 2026 ones. And then they have these ones over here, the really smaller ones, like the pocket size ones. Then they have these ones, weekly planners. I don't know if that'll focus or not. There we go. Then we have these ones right here. And then we have these bigger ones right here. These are kind of like in a little sheet. 2025 to 2026. Then they have these ones right here, fashion monthly planners. So that's what they look like. 2026. That's what they look like. Then they have these ones here, kind of like a desk one. That's what the designs are. So here's some calendars over here. They have those ones. They have these smaller ones. Then they have this one here. Then they have this one, monthly calendar. This is a 2-pack one. And here's your 2 packs. You get this one. Big print ones. Then you got your 2026 planners in the vibrant colors. You got the beach ones. The beaches, mountains, travel. You got these ones down here, which that one's really, really cute. And then you got the really big desk ones. Oops. They have these pretty jars that are new. They kind of got like a little flower on them, like a little feather. Then they have these ones, which I've shown you those. Oh, and then they have these new globes. These are pretty. I know they have different colors, but this is the only one I see over here. They have these luminant alligator kid flossers. Berry flavor. There's 60 in here. Then they have these mermaid ones. 60 flavor or 60 flossers in the berry as well. They have this new Noodlies, and these are a name brand. They are $1.25. They come in these really vibrant colors. This is what they look like. They're just like really stretchy kid toy. I think I'm gonna pick up a couple. They got these new Jot pens. I only see one over here, so I don't know what the other ones are, but this one is strawberry. And it's got a little shaker inside of it. Really pretty. I don't need any more pens, so I'm not going to get any more pens. I also have this pineapple poppable pen right here, and it pops. I do have this jumbo mermaid eraser, and also this rainbow one. Also have a cactus. I don't know if I've shown you these. These are the mirror stickers. And then they have them also in these little fun zebras. Those are cute. And they have these pop-up Momoko stickers. Or puffy stickers. They have these 50 Enchanto stickers as well. These are really nice. 50. Diamond ticket. Explore to find a diamond of one of the gems. Real diamond, 1 in 24 boxes. Name brand Grand Studios. They also have this gold version. Gold Dig It. Real gold. Rainbow stone. Purite. Yeah, that's what it looks like. This is the box that it comes in. It's called Dig It. Okay, so for the restocks, we got the Spa Luxury Brazilian Body Butter. I really like this one. Doesn't last that long, but it's a really good one. Another restock, the LED humidifier. I never got one, so I don't know how well they work, but they're $1.25. They have this new coloring book. It says Color America. It's got the balloons on it. It's by K Kappa Designs. Here's some of the pictures. Then they have this one, Adult Etching Colorings Relax and Rewind. This is by the Bindon. This one's cute looking. Let's look at it. And this is the back of it. Ooh, that one's pretty. So these ones got a little bit darker etching to it. And this one is by Bindon, Adult Coloring Patterns. It's got the balloons on it. Not sure if this one was new, but this one is by K Kappa as well. Designer Series Pets to Color. This is what it looks like. Got some cute pets in there. Now, if you didn't see my haul, I hauled this Wandering Nowhere Personal Journal. I'll leave that up in the eye in the sky or at the end. Then they have this one, which I hauled. Here's a couple. 40, author of Volt. Okay. They have this one. Noodlies. Interesting. It's kind of like I think it's like animated. Then they have this one. Deep as the sky and red as the sea. They have this one. Return to Atlantis. That one looks cool. Wellness for dogs. Cat Martin Against the Fire. Oh, and then they have this one, which I've hauled the dog version one of this. This is a keepsake for your cat, a journal. In case you didn't see that haul, I'll show you a little bit of it. So you just you just kind of fill it out. And you can leave pictures and stuff in here. It's kind of like scrapbooking in a way, but it's journaling. When We Found Each Other. There's a cat book. And they got a bunch of cook ones in. Simply Comfort. Step by Step, Instant Pot. Eat, Drink, and Be Merry. I've seen that one before. Then they have this one. It's a flower stationery, 3 notebooks, 64 pages, lines, grids, and dots. And this is what it looks like for all those 64 pages each. That's a pretty good deal for $1.25. I don't know if this is a new scent or if they had it last summer. This is the Lemon Toe Limited Edition Personal Care Hand Soap. I believe it's the foaming kind. That one's a nice one. So they have a new mini brownies chocolate muffins, and then they have the mini birthday cake. There's 10 in here. Try muffin king. That's what they look like. These are a new little kid drink called Sour Blast. Classic flavors. Less than 1 gram of sugar, 5 calories. I don't know what the flavors are because I don't think it says on there.